think he sent a picture. This person is on the phone. I just saw the phone out there. Water screw. No. Very bad. Very bad. Kia Sportage Black BF73ATZ. Looked like she was reading an email. She did well to ignore me. That's best practice for any driver. And she gave it all away because I could see through the back window. I saw the phone moving in her hand with the lit up screen from right here, through here. We have roadworks ahead. Squeeze down to one lane from two.